Welcome to solverfy.
So here we have simple harmonic motion. And so for part A, when we want to find the total amount of energy, this is going to be simply equal to 1/2 mv squared plus 1/2 kx squared. And this will equal 1/2 Ka squared. And the reason why we want to find the total amount of energy, or rather at least set up a relationship for the total amount of energy, is to find the amplitude. So now we can say that the amplitude through algebraic manipulation would be equal to the square root of mv squared divided by k plus x squared. And at this point, we can solve and say that A is going to be equal to 2.7 kilograms times the velocity of 0.55 meters per second quantity squared, and then divided by the spring constant of 280 newtons per meter, and then plus 0.020 meters quantity squared. And we find that the amplitude is going to be equal to 0.0576 meters. Okay, and so this would be an answer for part A. Now for part B, we're trying to find the maximum velocity. So we can say that 1/2 Ka squared is going to be equal to 1/2 mv max squared. And we simply solve for v. So v max is going to be equal to the amplitude times the square root of k, the spring constant, divided by m, the mass. So this will be equal to, we can say 0.05759 meters, and then times the square root of 280 newtons per meter divided by the mass of 2.7 kilograms. And we find that the maximum velocity is going to be equal to 0.5865 meters per second. So this would be our final answer for part B. That is the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.